but my dreams keep flying away. Somewhere far beyond, keep chasing.
Today, we are gonna do an in-depth review of Doogee V Max Plus, the smartphone that promises to redefine the rugged experience. Doogee V Max Plus is powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 7050. It is an octa-core processor, so definitely Doogee V Max Plus is a very powerful smartphone. If you are someone who craves power, durability and cutting-edge technology in one package, then it's the phone that you have been waiting for, Doogee V Max Plus. Well, before we dive into the specifications and performance of this Doogee V Max Plus, one request: if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.
It's been a while since I ran into you on a street. I wonder if you moved. Hope everything is going amazing for you, and you're not feeling blue. I feel the rain pour down my face, but that's alright. I smile, people passing by. Some smile back, some might not. I'm always looking for a shade when it's hot.
Built to conquer any condition with fashion. That's the first thing came to my mind when I have first seen this Doogee V Max Plus. Yeah, it is a rugged phone with an IP68, IP69K rating, and it also has military standard 810H certification. That means it's dust-proof, shock-proof and waterproof, ready for any extreme condition. But that toughness doesn't come at the expense of comfort. The V Max Plus is surprisingly comfortable to hold. Yeah, it's a rugged beast, so it's not sleek, but the size is good to fit securely in our hand. The unique design, accented by customizable interaction lights, makes the V Max Plus a phone one of a kind. Talking about the lights, there is a light film in the settings. There are 3 different color options: red, green and blue. Moreover, these lights can be customized to suit different scenarios such as incoming calls, music playback, SMS notification, and charging. Now, let's talk about the most important features: DCGB, display, camera, gaming, and battery. Doogee V Max Plus boasts a stunning 6.58-inch display panel with a FHD Plus resolution of 1080 by 2408, which leads to a very high pixel per inch density. The visuals on this display are crisp and clear, thanks to the sharp resolution and incredibly realistic color rendition. Even if it's an IPS LCD panel, black goes deep, white goes bright, and the colors are natural yet vivid and vibrant. The smooth 120Hz refresh rate ensures fluid animations and responsive touch interactions, making navigation feel seamless. Doogee V Max Plus delivers a truly immersive viewing experience. Doogee has equipped the V Max Plus with a Corning Gorilla Glass Victus, so it offers superior protection against scratches, drops, and everyday wear and tear. Altogether, I'm ready to give this display panel a very high rating because I have enjoyed watching movies and playing games on this display panel. V Max Plus boasts a significantly better triple camera setup. The main sensor now features a whopping 200 megapixel Samsung S5K HP3 sensor capable of capturing exceptional detail and clarity in any lighting condition. Accompanying the main sensor is a 125-degree ultra-wide and macro lens, which is perfect for capturing breathtaking landscapes. On the other side of the main sensor is a 20-megapixel Sony IMX350 night vision camera, ideal for capturing crisp and clear images even in complete darkness. Doogee V Max Plus also boasts a suite of upgraded software features that enhance our photography experience. These include AI scene recognition, super night mode for low light photography, and an improved portrait mode with more granular control over depth and bokeh effects, allowing us to capture professional quality portraits with just a few taps.
I keep dreaming, but my dreams keep flying away. Somewhere far beyond, keep chasing them and I never rest for a day. There's something I don't do. I feel the wind blowing my face, but that's alright. I looking for a shade when it's hot. I've been low key and I'm trying to stop. God, I'm feeling good. Yeah, but when off I go. Pretty afternoon, it's a best boy. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind. Yeah, but when off I go. Pretty afternoon, it's a best boy. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind. It's been a while since I ran into you on a street. I wonder if you moved. Hope everything is going amazing for you, and you're not feeling blue. I feel the rain pour down my face, but that's alright. I smile, people passing by. Some smile back, some might not. I'm always looking for a shade when it's hot. I've been low key and I'm trying to stop. God, I'm feeling good. Yeah, but when off I go. Pretty afternoon, it's a best boy. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind. Yeah, but when off I go. Pretty afternoon, it's a best boy.
Under the hood, this beast is powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 7050 SoC. Yeah, I have already mentioned MediaTek Dimensity 7050 is a very capable SoC. It is an octa-core SoC. Moreover, Doogee V Max Plus has 16GB of RAM on board with an option to expand the RAM up to another 20GB. That's really ludicrous. This formidable combination ensures that even the most demanding games run without a hitch, providing a seamless and lag-free experience. Doogee V Max Plus isn't a gaming device, but it offers high frame rate gaming with rich and detailed visuals even after playing games for hours. Cause it features an advanced cooling system, so the device efficiently dissipates heat, ensuring optimal performance without throttling. I am truly amazed by the gaming performance of Doogee V Max Plus.
I keep dreaming, but my dreams keep flying away. Somewhere far beyond, keep chasing them and I never.
Okay, if you still wanna know about the Antutu score, here comes the Antutu score of Doogee V Max Plus. Doogee V Max Plus has scored 553,000 on Antutu Benchmark 10. Yeah, it has scored higher than many other smartphones, which also runs on the same SoC MediaTek Dimensity 7050. Okay, let's talk about power. Doogee V Max Plus maintains its reputation for endurance with a massive 22,000 mAh battery, one of the largest capacities available in a smartphone today. This battery pack can easily power the phone through multiple weeks of regular use. We have failed to fully drain the battery pack of Doogee V Max Plus even after 10 days of heavy usage with a lot of gaming sessions. Kudos to Doogee. Doogee V Max Plus comes with a 33-watt charger bundled inside the package. This ensures a Doogee V Max Plus gets charged faster than many other rugged devices, and we can quickly get back on track without being needed to connect it to a charger for an extended period of time. Doogee V Max Plus runs on Android 14, providing users with the latest features, improved performance, and enhanced security. Android 14 offers a more refined user interface, additional customization options, and better multitasking capabilities. As usual, Doogee V Max Plus also comes with a side-mounted fingerprint sensor and 2D face unlocking option. Both works perfectly fine. I have never seen any lag or any hiccups. Yeah, the phone gets unlocked within a split of a second. It's easy to register a fingerprint, and once a fingerprint is registered, it works flawlessly. The same thing goes for the 2D face unlocking option. Yeah, it's a bit less secure, but face unlocking option is actually a bit more convenient. Finally, before we wrap up, there is another thing. Doogee V Max Plus is a 5G smartphone. It supports 5G connectivity, so yeah, we are always connected to the world of internet at a very high speed. Well, I think Doogee V Max Plus is one of the best in the rugged smartphone market. It offers robust performance along with extensive battery life and a clean and intuitive user interface with the latest features and security updates. Yeah, I agree that the weight and bulkiness might not appeal to everyone, especially those who are looking for a sleeker device. However, the users who prioritize durability and functionality over a slim and sleek design, I believe they're gonna love this Doogee V Max Plus. I have left a link of this Doogee V Max Plus in the description box. Moreover, I have managed to get a discount code for you. Go ahead, use the discount code and save some money. But before that, one request: if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.